Hey everybody, it's 12:18 and 13 seconds on October 16th. This is the drawing for the Daredevil 131, the first bullseye. Over here on the left are the 15 filled spots. Okay. Gonna roll the 3 dice. Number is another small number, only 5. I believe the last one I ran was only 6. So I'm going to randomize 5 times, name at the top of the list. At the end of the 5th roll, we'll get the book. It will ship out tomorrow, October 17th. So best of luck to everybody. I'll try to do another one if I have time. I just have a very busy afternoon into the evening. Okay, so best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and here comes the final one. 5. Spot 15, John Garner. Congratulations. Time is 12:19